Some of these machines changed the course of a war. Others were built in garages and still managed to sink a warship. One of them, you'll see it before this video ends, still surprises military analysts who thought they understood modern combat. This is every drone and vehicle Ukraine has used to fight. Bayraktar TB2, a Turkish-made strike drone that became a symbol of Ukrainian resistance, destroying Russian armor in the war's opening weeks. Shahd 136 intercepted, captured Iranian-designed loitering munitions, repurposed by Ukrainian forces against Russian logistics and command positions. AeroVironment Switchblade 300, a small American kamikaze drone launched from a tube, designed to eliminate infantry and light vehicles with precision. AeroVironment Switchblade 600, the heavier variant of the Switchblade family, built to defeat armored vehicles and crew-served weapon systems. Punisher UAV, a Ukrainian-developed fixed-wing combat drone capable of striking targets deep behind enemy lines with high accuracy. If you're interested in military systems like these, subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Warmate, a Polish loitering munition deployed by Ukraine, used for precision strikes against fortified positions and armored targets. FPV Kamikaze Drone, a Ukrainian first-person view attack drone built in massive numbers, delivering explosive payloads directly into armored targets. Ram-2, a Ukrainian-built drone developed rapidly during the war, optimized for glide bombing and autonomous attack runs. UP-10, a Ukrainian fixed-wing strike drone capable of carrying munitions over extended ranges against high-value ground targets. R-18 Octocopter, a heavy-lift Ukrainian multi-rotor drone adapted for precision bomb drops on armored vehicles and trench positions. Leleka 100, a Ukrainian-made electric fixed-wing drone designed for frontline reconnaissance and real-time battlefield intelligence gathering. Spectator M1, a compact Ukrainian ISR drone built for low-altitude surveillance, used by ground units for immediate tactical awareness. FlyEye, a Polish-made folding-wing reconnaissance drone deployed by Ukraine for day and night surveillance over contested terrain. AeroVironment Raven B, a small American hand-launched drone widely used for close-range reconnaissance and forward observation support. Skydio X2, an American autonomous quadcopter used for structure inspection, bunker mapping, and urban reconnaissance missions. Parrot Anafi USA, a commercial-grade quadcopter adapted by Ukrainian forces for frontline observation and target designation tasks. DJI Mavic 3, a widely used commercial drone repurposed at scale by Ukrainian units for artillery spotting and troop movement tracking. Penguin CUAS, an American long-endurance fixed-wing ISR drone officially included in U.S. security assistance packages for Ukraine in 2023. Shark UAV, a Ukrainian long-endurance surveillance drone capable of operating at altitude for extended battlefield monitoring missions. Furia, a Ukrainian electric fixed-wing drone used for artillery correction and frontline reconnaissance in high-threat environments. T-64BV, Ukraine's most numerous tank at the war's start, a Soviet-era design upgraded with reactive armor and modern optics. T-72EA, a Czech modernized T-72 variant, upgraded with thermal optics and improved protection, delivered to Ukraine in large numbers. T-80 BVM, a gas turbine-powered Soviet tank in Ukrainian service, notable for its speed and updated composite armor configuration. T-84 Oplot, Ukraine's most advanced domestically produced tank, featuring a welded turret and modern fire control systems of Ukrainian design. Leopard 2A4, a German main battle tank transferred to Ukraine, bringing NATO standard protection and targeting systems to the front line. Leopard 2A6, the most capable Leopard variant sent to Ukraine, equipped with an extended gun barrel and enhanced turret armor packages. M1A1 Abrams, an American main battle tank delivered to Ukraine in 2023, featuring a powerful 120mm gun and composite armor in the export configuration. Challenger 2, a British main battle tank transferred to Ukraine, renowned for its Chobham composite armor and exceptional crew survivability. T-72M1, a Polish-supplied variant of the T-72, transferred to Ukraine early in the conflict to replace frontline armor losses rapidly. PT-9120, a Polish upgraded T-72 variant with domestic fire control and protection systems, delivered to Ukraine from Polish Army stocks. BMP-1, a Soviet-era infantry fighting vehicle widely used by Ukrainian forces, valued for its mobility across varied terrain conditions. If you're enjoying the video, consider leaving a like and subscribing so you don't miss future uploads. BMP-2, an upgraded Soviet IFV featuring a 30mm autocannon used extensively by Ukraine for infantry support and light armor engagements. BMP-2M, a modernized variant of the BMP-2 with improved optics, enhanced protection, and updated fire control systems for modern warfare. M2 Bradley, an American IFV transferred to Ukraine, combining heavy firepower with strong protection and advanced digital systems integration. Marder 1A3, a German IFV donated to Ukraine, offering superior crew protection and a reliable 20mm autocannon for frontline combat. CV-90, a Swedish IFV delivered to Ukraine, one of the most modern platforms in its class with excellent mobility and firepower. M113A3, an American armored personnel carrier used by Ukraine in a modified IFV role for rapid infantry transport and support. BMD-2, a Soviet airborne combat vehicle used by Ukrainian forces, lightweight and fast, but offering limited crew protection in open combat. KF-41 Lynx, a German IFV delivered to Ukraine in late 2024, selected by Ukraine as its future standard infantry fighting vehicle for domestic production. M2A2 ODS Bradley, an upgraded Bradley variant transferred to Ukraine, featuring improved armor and enhanced crew protection over the baseline model. IMA 777A2, an American lightweight 155mm howitzer that became one of the most impactful artillery pieces of the entire conflict. Caesar, a French self-propelled wheeled howitzer, delivering 155mm fire with high mobility, allowing rapid displacement after each fire mission. Panzerhaubitze 2000, a German self-propelled howitzer, regarded as one of the most capable artillery systems in the world, supplied to Ukraine. M109A6 Paladin, an American self-propelled 155mm howitzer, confirmed delivered to Ukraine in 2023, offering armored crew protection and reliable long-range fire. Krab, a Polish self-propelled howitzer based on a British gun system, delivered to Ukraine with strong logistical support from Warsaw. Dana M2, a Czech-wheeled self-propelled howitzer supplied to Ukraine, combining road mobility with reliable 152mm fire support capability. BM-21 Grad, a Soviet-era multiple rocket launcher still widely used by Ukraine, capable of saturating large target areas with 122mm rockets. HIMARS, an American precision rocket artillery system whose arrival fundamentally changed Ukraine's ability to strike deep Russian logistics targets. M270 MLRS, a tracked American multiple launch rocket system transferred to Ukraine, capable of firing the same precision munitions as HIMARS. BM-30 Smerch, a heavy Soviet-era multiple rocket launcher in Ukrainian service, capable of striking targets at ranges of up to 90 kilometers. Which of these systems did you find the most interesting? Let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe for more military history content. BTR-4, Ukraine's domestically produced 8x8 armored personnel carrier, designed to replace Soviet-era vehicles with improved protection and firepower. BTR-80, a Soviet-era wheeled APC widely used across Ukrainian forces, valued for its amphibious capability and cross-country performance. BTR-3, a Ukrainian upgraded variant of the BTR family, featuring a new turret and improved weapon systems for modern infantry transport roles. Max Pro, an American mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicle transferred to Ukraine, offering exceptional blast protection for crew survivability. M1117 Guardian, an American armored security vehicle used by Ukrainian forces in rear area security and convoy protection operations. Bushmaster PMV, an Australian protected mobility vehicle transferred to Ukraine, widely praised for its crew protection and operational reliability. RG-31 Nyala, a South African-designed MRAP vehicle supplied to Ukraine, originally developed for high mine threat environments in southern Africa. Stryker 1CV, an American wheeled armored vehicle transferred to Ukraine, offering speed, protection, and a family of mission-specific variants. M1224 Max Pro Dash, a lighter variant of the Max Pro family, optimized for speed and maneuverability, while retaining strong blast protection characteristics. Husky TSV, an American route clearance vehicle used by Ukraine for detecting and neutralizing mines along critical supply and combat routes. MIM-104 Patriot, an American long-range air defense system delivered to Ukraine, capable of intercepting ballistic missiles and advanced cruise missiles. Iris TSLM, a German medium-range air defense system supplied to Ukraine, offering high-precision engagement of aircraft and cruise missiles. NASAMS, a Norwegian-American surface-to-air missile system supplied to Ukraine, using AIM-120 AMRAAM missiles for air defense operations. Hawk, an American medium-range air defense system transferred to Ukraine, originally designed in the Cold War era, but still operationally effective. S-300, a Soviet-era long-range air defense system that formed the backbone of Ukraine's initial air defense network at the war's outbreak. Buk M1, a Soviet-era medium-range surface-to-air missile system used by Ukraine, capable of engaging aircraft and cruise missiles at altitude. Gepard, a German self-propelled anti-aircraft gun system transferred to Ukraine, highly effective against low-flying drones and helicopters. Crowtail, a French short-range air defense system supplied to Ukraine, designed to intercept low-altitude aerial threats with high-speed missiles. Aspide, an Italian air defense missile system transferred to Ukraine, providing additional short to medium-range coverage for critical assets. Stormer HVM, a British self-propelled air defense system supplied to Ukraine, armed with Starstreak high-velocity missiles for fast target engagement. FIM-92 Stinger, an American man-portable air defense missile also used in an anti-helicopter role by Ukrainian infantry throughout the conflict. Carl Gustaf M3, a Swedish reusable multi-role weapon system supplied to Ukraine, capable of firing anti-tank, anti-structure, and illumination rounds. Javelin, an American fire-and-forget anti-tank missile that became one of the defining weapons of the conflict in its opening phase. NLAW, a British-Swedish single-shot anti-tank weapon widely credited with destroying hundreds of Russian armored vehicles in the war's first weeks. At 4, a Swedish single-shot unguided rocket launcher supplied to Ukraine, used against light vehicles, fortifications, and personnel positions. PZF-3, a German reusable anti-tank rocket launcher supplied to Ukraine, capable of defeating modern main battle tanks with tandem warheads. RPG-7, a Soviet-era reusable rocket launcher widely available in Ukrainian inventory, used across virtually every engagement of the conflict. Stugna-P, a Ukrainian-developed laser-guided anti-tank missile system capable of defeating modern armored vehicles at extended ranges. Skif, a Ukrainian anti-tank guided missile system sharing components with the Stugna-P family, designed for both vehicle-mounted and tripod use. Kornet-E, a Russian-developed laser-guided anti-tank missile system captured from Russian forces by Ukraine and turned against armored targets at long range.